Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about origin zones, what they are, how to identify them, and how to boost your win rate using origin zones. Right, so an origin zone is basically what the name says it is, zone of origin, basically the zone where a move originated from. So in this case, the origin zone is that zone right there and that zone right there. Why is that? Because the overall move to the upside originated from this level. Basically, it started here. This is what caused the break structure to the upside. And also here, this is what caused the break structure to the upside. Also called the lower high or the lower low or the higher high or the higher low. Basically, the lowest or the highest point that is responsible for a breaker structure to the upside or downside. Now, why is this important? You might ask. Because I see a lot of traders who take trades from zones like this. And there's nothing wrong with that at all. But you will get liquidated often because this is just liquidity or inducement waiting to be swept. That means that you're always safer if you take the origin zone. You might miss a lot more trades, but you'll get a way higher win rate because the origin zone is way more likely to hold. There is a reason why we call this the strong low or the protected low, because we expect this low to take out the next high. And once again, we expect this low to take out the next high, this low to take out this high. So this is your strong low. What does that mean? That means that we expect price to not break structure, because if it does, that means we get a shift in the trend. As you can see right here, for example, say you would have placed a trade like this on this zone, you would have gotten taken out. Why? Well, because this is inducement. A lot of traders are going to be taking trades from these levels. And I'm not saying that's wrong, but you will have a lower win rate because you'll get taken out a lot of times because price has no intention to come back to these zones to hold and take a new high. They want to come back to the unmitigated origin zone and then take out the overall high. So now I'm going to show you a few chart examples, show you guys what it looks like on a real chart. Okay, right here, perfect example. You see the origin zone, aka the higher low, the highest point that is responsible for breaking structure to the downside, the zone where everything originated from. That is this zone right here. Now, you also have these zones sitting right here. And you can see that these zones did not hold. Both of them got taken out, and I'll explain why. Right, so this is the origin zone, right? We expect this to hold. We can also label this as a strong high, meaning that we expect price to create a new higher low and then to create a new break structure, aka not to break this high. We don't expect price to take out this high. Okay, so why does price flush through these and not this one? So this is pretty much inducement, aka liquidity. Price needs liquidity to come back into this zone and then break structure to the downside. So every trader who's going to be taking trades like this will be taken out of the market. And now you can expect price to come back into the zone where it originated from and then to create structure to the downside. So that is something to keep in mind when trading. The origin zone is always stronger than the more recent zones. Now, before I end this video, make sure to join our free signal group. The link is down below in the description. We send out a couple of trades a day and we do market updates and weekly videos. So make sure to check that out. Okay, I want to show you one more bullish example before I end this video. Okay, right, so you can see that price broke structure to the upside. This is the zone that caused that break structure. And you can see that all of these zones that are sitting right here, they don't hold. All of them get flushed through. Now, why is that? This is, once again, liquidity, inducement, prices taking out these lows to grab as much money as they can out of the markets, and then tap into the origin zone, the zone where everything originated from, and then take out that new high. Now you can utilize this in your trading. It'll drastically improve your win rate. I see a lot of traders taking trades off of every recent order block. Now there's nothing wrong with that, but this is a way better way to improve your win rate. So I hope that video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment. We'll make sure to check everything out. And I wish you guys a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.